Hey, Carol.
Hi, Neil.
Just trying out the snowshoes.
Well, we have a few tips for a successful snowshoe adventure. The first thing you're going to want to do is find a left and a right. Take a look at where the buckles are. The buckles should be on the outside of your foot. If they were on the inside and you accidentally stepped too close to your other foot, your snowshoe might come off and you might fall on your face. You're going to put your foot on top of the binding. Move your heel back as tight as you can to that heel strap, and then pull it up onto the back of your heel. Once that is nice and tight, you're going to start with one of the straps on top. You're going to look for the hole in the binding and feed the strap through that hole. You'll know that it's in the right spot if you can hear it click. Repeat for the next strap. Once they're on, you're going to want to use the ratchets to tighten them up. Once your snowshoe is on, tip your toe forward. If it hits the front of this piece right here and your toe doesn't go through the hole, you either need to adjust your heel strap to be bigger or try the next larger size snowshoe. Pick up your foot, give it a little shake to make sure it doesn't come off. Much better. When you're ready to take your snowshoes off, take your finger and your thumb, just pinch these two tabs together and then just pull the strap out. Then move your foot forward and step out of the snowshoe. Perfect. When you come for a snowshoe hike, make sure you're wearing boots and not shoes. Maplewood Nature Center has 3 sizes of snowshoes. We have smalls, we have mediums, and we have the large. Stay off of the hard surfaces with your snowshoes. They have these metal crampons on the bottom. They would mar both the boardwalk and the sidewalk. When you're walking with snowshoes, keep your feet just a little bit further apart than normal. You don't have to walk like a penguin, just walk with your feet a little bit further apart than normal. And stay at least 1 snowshoe length away from the person ahead of you.
Following all these tips will help you have a great snowshoeing experience.
And all we need now is 4 inches of snow.